Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to deploy a website on Vercel. First, let's just go to the vercel.com website, and this is how the UI looks once you have logged in. If you don't have an account or you're not logged in, sign up, create an account at vercel.com, and then this is how it is going to look. Now, I have been using Vercel since quite some time now, so I have all my projects here. But I do want to add a new project. I have my GitHub connected to Vercel, and I'm going to host or deploy one of my projects in the GitHub. So this is my GitHub. I'm going to host a fitness tracking web application, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to do that. And to add any new project in Vercel, all you got to do is click on this black button, Add New, and click on Project. Like I said, I'm going to host or deploy a GitHub repository, the project which is present already in my GitHub. So I'm just going to import this fitness tracker GitHub repository. And since I already have connected my GitHub to Vercel, this is how it looks. If you don't have any GitHub repository imported or connected in Vercel, first you will get a UI to do that connection step. You have to authorize Vercel to access the GitHub repositories. And once you have done that step, this is how it's going to look. I'm just going to click import on this fitness tracker option. And yes, so the project name, let's just say fitness activity tracker. You can customize your project name whatever you want. And the framework is actually, it's a JavaScript project. There's no JavaScript option here. There are multiple other options like React or Next.js and plenty of options in this drop down. So since it's JavaScript, I'm just going to let it stay as other. And yes, this is my root directory. You can also edit it because when you have a full stack application, you have separate front end and back end. At that time, it's very essential to change your root directory to point to the source folder in the front end. And there are also environment variables. So if you have any API key or any other variables, you can add here. And since I don't have anything, I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on deploy. That's it. Now I will get a link which is already in production. And this is basically it. And it's pretty quick as well. It barely took 30 seconds to deploy my project. Let's just go to the dashboard and see how it looks. So as you can see, I had given the project name Fitness Activity Tracker, and that is the same URL that I have it right here. And yeah, it's perfect. It is the UI is neat as expected, and also the URL is the project name .vercel.app. If you come to deployments, you can see that it is deployed and it is currently in production. Click on it and you can see the assigning custom domains. So you can also further customize it or buy a paid domain as well. That's it. This is how you host a website in Vercel. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.